यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनातीरावनचारी यमुनातीरावनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय जय गुरुदेव श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय निताय गो प्रेमानंदे हरे कृष्णा So we will read from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 6, Verse 7. I'd just like to request everyone to please come closer to me so that I feel blessings. I feel energized. नज़दीक आ जाओ थोड़ा सा. I'm okay if I don't have to use the mic, but I'd like everyone to be close. Today is a very, very special day, and today is the arrival of Srila Prabhupada into the US. So I was trying to remember some comparison. So I was thinking that everyone should realize सबको ऐसा विचार आना चाहिए. आज प्रभुपाद जी का जन्मदिन नहीं है, प्रभुपाद का व्यास पूजा नहीं है, लेकिन प्रभुपाद जी को अमेरिका आना आज के दिन, और आज हम लोग का सुबह सुबह का मौसम ठंडा ठंडा है, ठंडा ठंडा हवा चल रहा है, तो मुझे कंपैरिजन याद आता है. बताया गया है जब कलयुग के एंड हो जाएगा तो एक कूल ब्रीज ऑफ सत्युग आएगा, एक ठंडा ठंडा हवा चलेगा जिससे फिर ये परिवर्तित हो जाएगा सत्युग में. और आज ये बोलते हुए हमारे को यही अनुभव हो रहा है कि प्रभुपाद जी आए तो हम कंडीशन सोल्स लोगों के जीवन में ये कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस का प्रभुपाद जी सत्युग दे दिए अगर हम लोग रियलाइज करें इसको तब। श्रील प्रभुपाद जी जब तक वृंदावन में थे, तैयारी कर रहे थे, प्रभुपाद जी का लाइफ टाइम इन प्रिपरेशन था, लेकिन रियली प्रभुपाद जी का जो पावा है वो शुरू होता है जिस दिन प्रभुपाद जी अमेरिका में आते हैं। द होल रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस आज के दिन के कारण ही आज हम लोग यहाँ पर है। आज कोई 30 साल से, कोई 40 साल से, कोई 20 साल से, कोई 15 साल से जो हम लोग प्रोक्लेम कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग कृष्ण भक्ति कर रहे हैं, वो आज के दिन के प्रभाव से। सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डे। तो it will be very nice if more devotees remember this wonderful day, participate in remembering Srila Prabhupada, and different places can have festivals in this respect. So Prabhupada ji का सबसे प्रिय वस्तु क्या था? What is the most dear thing for Srila Prabhupada? Books. His Bhagavatam. Prabhupada ji Srimad Bhagavatam जब रचना की, when he went to America, Prabhupada ji took 3 volumes of the first canto. तो फर्स्ट कैंटो जो है वो प्रभुपाद जी का जैसे मानो हम लोग कुछ भी करते हैं, जो सबसे शुरुआत करते हैं उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत, लग्न, प्रेम सब कुछ डालते हैं। तो उसी प्रकार से फर्स्ट कैंटो श्रीमद् भागवतम इज द कंप्लीट टोटल फोकस। प्रभुपाद जी का पूरा मेडिटेशन जो है अपने गुरु की आज्ञा पर कि ये कृष्ण भावनामृत को अंग्रेजी भाषा में करे, वो पूरा मिशन जो है प्रभुपाद जी का, वो फर्स्ट कैंटो में प्रभुपाद जी दिए। तो प्रभुपाद जी का जो भागवतम है, प्रभुपाद जी हम लोग देखते हैं दिस इज़ वन बुक, भागवतम इज़ वन बुक। प्रभुपाद जी कंटिन्यूड टू ट्रांसलेट until his last breath. Until his last breath. Bhagavatam is that book that Prabhupada. So Bhagavatam is very, very dear to Srila Prabhupada, and so it should be very, very dear to the devotees as well. If you love Bhagavatam, it means you love Srila Prabhupada. That's the point. So we are going to read from Srimad Bhagavatam, and then I want to read from Prabhupada Lilamrita about Prabhupada's arrival into the US, and we can relive or visualize the happenings when Prabhupada came to the Western world. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 6, Verse 7. Vikramo Bhuvaha Swascha Shemasya Saranasya Cha Sarvakama Varashyapi Hare Charana Ashpadam Vikramo Bhurabhuvasvascha Shemasya Sharanasya Cha Sarvakama Virasyapi Harisharana Ashpadam Vikramo Bhurbhuvasvascha Shemasya Sharanasya Cha Sarvakama Varashyapi Harisharana Ashpadam Vikramo Bhurbhuvasvascha Shemasya Sharanasya Cha Sarvakama Varashyapi Harisharana Ashpadam. Read, please. Vikramo Bhurbhuvasvascha Shemasya Sharanasya Cha सर्वकर्मवरस्यापि हरेर्चरणास्पदम् विक्रमो भूर्भुवस्वश्च क्षेमस्य शरणस्य च सर्वकामवरस्यापि 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 हरेर्चरणास्पदम् विक्रमः forward steps, bhuvah of the lower and upper planets, swaha as well as of heaven, cha also shemasya of protection of all that we have, saranasya of fearlessness, cha also sarvakama all that we need, varasya of all benedictions, api exactly, hare of the Lord, charana the lotus feet, ashpadam shelter. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Thus the forward steps of the Lord are the shelter of the upper, lower and heavenly planets as well as all that we need. His lotus feet serve as protection from all kinds of fear. For absolute protection from all sorts of fear as well as for all our needs of life, we must take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord, not only in this planet but also in all the upper, lower and heavenly planets. This absolute dependence on the lotus feet of the Lord is called pure devotional service, and it is directly hinted at within this passage. No one should have any kind of doubt in this matter, nor should one be inclined to seek the help of any other demigods, because all of them are dependent on Him only. Everyone except the Lord Himself is dependent on the mercy of the Lord. Even the all-pervading Supersoul is also dependent on the supreme aspect of Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Tamo Krishna Goswamiti Namine. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Swamiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pacharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschadya Shatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivashati Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna. So I think आज का जो श्लोक है बड़ी सुंदर रूप से बताया है. मे भी हम लोग डिवोशनल लाइफ में आते हैं, भक्ति में आते हैं, तो प्रभु जी अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी का? यार फाइन, ओके, वी स्पीक फिजी स्टाइल हिंदी, नॉट लाइक इंडिया. तो हम लोग सब भक्ति में आते हैं और भक्तों के साथ में सीख जाते हैं क्या भक्ति करना है। लेकिन कभी कभी हम लोग सुनते हैं, बारंबार सुनते हैं, मंदिर में आते हैं तो हम लोग ये प्रभुपाद जी का कॉन्सेप्ट सुने हैं ना। प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं हमेशा, वी ऑफर रिस्पेक्टफुल ओबेसेंस द लोटस फीट ऑफ द लॉर्ड, लोटस फीट ऑफ द लॉर्ड, लोटस फीट ऑफ द लॉर्ड। तो ये हम लोग जैसे सनातन धर्म के अंदर में ना जो चलता है उसको चलाते हैं। लेकिन आज का जो श्लोक है इसमें बहुत सुंदर बताया है कि व्हाई वी शुड ऑफर रिस्पेक्ट्स एंड मेडिटेट ऑन द लोटस फीट ऑफ द लॉर्ड। अब आज के वर्स और ट्रांसलेशन और पपट के बाद में आप जब भी अब भगवान को प्रार्थना करेंगे, श्री कृष्ण भगवान के जब कमल चरणों को देखेंगे तो आपके मन में स्मरण आना चाहिए। क्या स्मरण आना चाहिए? यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि भगवान का जो फॉरवर्ड स्टेप्स है, जैसे फॉरवर्ड स्टेप है तो पैर उठाकर आगे जब बढ़ते हैं, तो जब भगवान पैर उठा के आगे बढ़ते हैं तो आपको क्या स्मरण आता है? व्हाट डू यू रिमेम्बर? ये था माम प्रपद्यन्ते। यस, आई वुड हैव रिमेम्बर्ड द सेम थिंग। जैसे ये बात हुआ मेरे मन में फर्स्ट यही चीज आया कि जब भगवान अपने फॉरवर्ड स्टेप से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं अपा, यहाँ पे बताया गया क्या? भूर्भुवस्वस, अपा स्वर्ग लोक मध्य नीचे सब। तो भगवान एक ही कदम में, हमें यही विजन हुआ कि वामन देव एक ही कदम में पूरा स्वर्ग लोक ब्रह्म लोक तक माप दिया, तो प्रोटेक्ट किया। जब ब्रह्म लोक तक मापा तो प्रोटेक्शन है ना, भगवान का प्रोटेक्शन हुआ। जब ब्रह्म लोक भगवान का चरण हुआ तो क्या प्रोटेक्शन हुआ? व्हाट प्रोटेक्शन कैन यू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम ब्रह्म लोक? यस, ब्रह्मलोक जब भगवान का चरण पहुंचा तो ब्रह्मा जी ने क्या किया? भगवान का चरण पखारे और भगवान का जो फुट का टो का नाखून था वो यूनिवर्स में जब पिंच किया तो जो क्या आया? गंगा जी आई। गंगा जी क्या करती है? हम लोग बॉलीवुड से जानते हैं, राम तेरी गंगा मैली हो गई, पापियों का पाप धोते धोते। हम लोग पापी लोग जाके उसमें डुबकी लगाते हैं। तो इट्स आवर प्रोटेक्शन, वी गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम सिंस, वी गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम सिंस। तो भगवान का प्रोटेक्शन है, भगवान का प्रोटेक्शन है। तो शेल्टर ऑफ द अपर एज वेल एज ऑल दैट वी नीड। फिर क्या किया भगवान वामन ने? बलि महाराज को बोला कि व्हाट मोर, यू हैवंट फुलफिल योर प्रॉमिस। देन ही पुट हिज फुट ऑन, वामन देव डिड, सॉरी बलि महाराज डिड आत्मसमर्पण। सो ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते और सर्व धर्मान परित्यजा, एज वी सरेंडर और वी फुली सरेंडर, कृष्ण टेक्स गिव्स अस फुल प्रोटेक्शन। 6 पॉइंट्स ऑफ सरेंडर में एक पॉइंट क्या है? हाँ, हैविंग फर्म फेथ इन लॉर्ड्स प्रोटेक्शन। और प्रभुपाद जी कितना पावरफुल है। मैं ये सोच रहा था, मैं हफ्ता भर से सोच रहा हूं इसके विषय में। जैसे व्हेन वी टेक अप टू कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस, तो डेफिनेटली योर पॉइंट इज करेक्ट। भगवान कहते हैं ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते। लेकिन व्हाट इज द अल्टीमेट डिजायर ऑफ कृष्ण? व्हाट इज द अल्टीमेट डिजायर ऑफ कृष्ण? कंप्लीट सरेंडर, कंप्लीट सरेंडर। और कंप्लीट सरेंडर को प्रभुपाद जी क्या डिस्क्राइब किए हैं? नो वन शुड हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट इन दिस मैटर। बताया गया है, दिस एब्सोल्यूट डिपेंडेंस ऑन द लोटस फीट ऑफ द लॉर्ड इज कॉल्ड प्योर डिवोशनल सर्विस। एब्सोल्यूट डिपेंडेंस। When Prabhupada was coming to USA, Prabhupada suffered heart attacks. Prabhupada ji said, Krishna, do whatever you like to do. When Prabhupada arrived to US, Prabhupada said, you brought me here, I don't know this place. सुमति मुरारजी प्रभुपाद जी को बोल रही थी, अरे स्वामी जी ठंडा में जाके मरना है, going to go and die in the winter of USA. But Prabhupada was absolutely dependent. I also get reminded, Prabhupada जी ने पत्नी को बोला ना, टी और मी। पत्नी बोला टी। प्रभुपाद जी वृंदावन चले गए. Prabhupada ji was completely dependent on the mercy of his instructions of his spiritual master. Every time Prabhupada ji was there, oh, you young boys and girls are here, you are all sent by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or you are all sent by my Guru Maharaj. Absolute dependence. पूरा के पूरा डिपेंडेंट. और प्रभुपाद जी के डिसाइपल्स लोग भी, मुझे याद आता है 7 of the 7 में आप पढ़ेंगे तमाल कृष्ण महाराज का, हमारे गुरु महाराज का कथा है. जब प्रभुपाद जी उनको मायापुर भेजे, तो प्रभुपाद जब वे शुरू में गए तो गए वो कलकत्ता में रहे. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले, गुरुदेव पूछा प्रभुपाद जी को कि व्हाट विल वी डू, लाइक मुझे हम कहाँ रहेंगे, कहाँ क्या खाएंगे. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोला, आप सर्वाइव करने के लिए आप यहाँ आश्रम में धर्मशाला में रह सकते हो, और शाम को 1 गिलास दूध और 1 मुट्ठा चना खा सकते हो. एंड बिलीव मी, हम और आज आप होंगे तो हम बोले हाँ उसके मतलब है कुछ खा लेना. फॉर देम इट वॉज एब्सोल्युटली 1 मुट्ठा चना एंड ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क इन दैट्स इट. Following the word of the spiritual master to its marks. A complete surrender है, a complete surrender. और उसका रिजल्ट क्या है? उसका रिजल्ट क्या है? उसका रिजल्ट ये है. कभी कभी हम लोग सोचते हैं, कोई हमको बोला ऐसा कि we cannot give prominence to one devotee than the others. You look at Prabhupada, all the time Tamal Krishna Maharaj is with him. His disciple. But his glory comes from complete surrender. So many other devotees are there, so many other gurus are there. And so many, even Srila Gurudev's own god brothers and god sisters, they respect him. They say, I remember at one Vyas Puja, one god brother said, you are wanting to look for Tamal Krishna Maharaj, look for Prabhupada. If you are wanting to look for Prabhupada, look for Tamal Krishna Maharaj. They will always be together. They will be together in mission, all the time. Prabhupada is saying, where's Tamal? Call Tamal. So the point is, I'm not just simply saying as a person, I'm not saying he's better than the others. But here the point that I'm picking up is the closest you can be in following the instructions, you become one with the spiritual master. You become one with the spiritual master in his mission. You become one with Krishna in his mission. Srila Prabhupada gets all the worship because he is one with Krishna in the mission of Krishna to save the fallen conditioned souls. So Prabhupada is saying that absolute dependence on the path of on Krishna. So same point, just like we have, it's nice, it's a devotional service we can do, but I think the intent will make the difference. जो हमारा चेतना में होगा वो डिफरेंस होगा. जैसे हमारे डिवोटीज है, ठीक है, डिवोटीज है तो हमारे डिवोटीज अपने पूर्वजों को याद के पितृपक्ष में कुछ फीस्ट करना चाहते हैं, ये करना चाहते हैं. आई थिंक व्हेन यू डू इट विद दैट इंटेंट, it is not pure devotional service. What the intent should be? We are here to please Krishna. Why do you worry about your pitra? When Dhruva Maharaj was climbing the plain of Vaikuntha, he was worried about his pitra, his mother. What did the Vishnu Duta say? ध्रुव को अलग लोक दे दिया. और what did he say? What did Vishnu Dutta say about Dhruva's mother? She is going ahead of you. She is already going ahead of you. This is the point of absolute dependence. Why are we creating doubt? Why are we having doubt? You have doubt, means you don't trust Krishna. If you don't trust Krishna, then what's the point in his devotional service? He is not one of the gods. He is the source of all the gods. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mataha sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvita. Complete heart. Complete heart. I was very impressed when I was hearing one lecture of Bhakti Vikas Swami. Bhakti Vikas Swami Maharaj said, Prabhupada brought this or created this organization for pure devotional service. So we must talk about pure devotional service. Those who are interested in pure devotional service will stay. Those who are not interested in pure devotional service, they can come and go, that's fine. One day they will make progress. But let's not bring our standards down to say that, you come for this, you come for this, you come for this. They come, invest, you give everything, you invest so much time with them. At the end of the day, they realize, this is a place for pure devotional service, and they decided to go. They say, no, this is not what I'm after. I'm after, Kama, Sarva Kama, I'm after all these things. Then you will say, somebody can argue with me. You say, no, Krishna says, the distress, the wealth, Sikha, everyone will come here. And then I'm saying, don't spend time with all this, because if they are not, my point is, they'll all come. Let them come. But we have to purify them to the stage of pure devotional service. We must talk about pure devotional service. Then people will rise to pure devotional service. If we degrade our talks to sensual pleasures, material successes and all these things, if we start measuring Krishna's blessings, that okay, ever since I've come into Krishna consciousness, there's no lack of wealth for me. Then you have dropped your status from pure devotional service to material gold. What is Krishna's mercy? Krishna's mercy is Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema. Material opulences is given by the demigods also. The best giver of material opulences is Lord Shiva. You pray to Lord Shiva, you ask him anything, he'll immediately say, Tathastu. Why?
Because he always meditate on Lord Krishna. He don't have time to.
Exactly, because you are disturbance. You had a disturbance with your material aspirations. They will say, no, take it and get lost. I am busy meditating on Sankarshana. My mind is on Krishna. So this is a very, very powerful purport, Prabhupada, and Prabhupada says, and he writes it, Prabhupada says, absolute dependence on the lotus feet of the Lord is called pure devotional service, and it is directly hinted within this passage. So, in the Bhagavatam, although Bhagwan universal form विराट रूप का डिस्क्रिप्शन चल रहा है, लेकिन प्रभुपाद जी समझाते हैं कि ये हर एक चीज से प्योर डिवोशनल सर्विस की ओर दिशा दिखाया जा रहा है. That we must understand. And then Prabhupada writes next sentence, no one should have any kind of doubt in this matter. We should not have any doubt. मैं सोच रहा था, this morning I was chanting, तो मैं सोच रहा था कि there's two things that makes you very, very, two stories that were coming in my mind for making one completely surrender to Krishna. One was that of Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj, 6 months, only 6 months, focused. He came to the platform of pure devotional service. तब ऐसे चैतन्य चरितामृत में या तो प्रभुपाद या तो हम लोग के इस्कॉन के सिस्टम है, generally when people come to Krishna consciousness, we get them into pakka chanting, pakka mangalarti, pakka Bhagavatam class. You go to India in other temples or you go to overseas, when devotees become 6 months is solid Krishna consciousness, you are fixed in. You're not going to go away from Krishna anymore. Because Dhruva Maharaj's katha is the evidence that within 6 months you can. But within 6 months, Dhruva Maharaj did not deviate. Narad Muni came, he said, oh, you are a little boy, go and play. Sometimes we may say, no, okay, your material things are okay, keep going, you'll be fine. You'll not be fine. If you make kheer and have grains of sand in it, how will the kheer be nice? It might taste nice, but that one grain of sand will come under your tooth and then you will throw it out. That's what will happen. Then I was thinking there's another powerful example of commitment. Lord Ramachandra, 14 years of exile. The Pandavas, 13 years of exile. And then, if you can practice Krishna consciousness in a fixed manner for 13 or 14 years, I think you are past the woods. I think you are past the woods. आप घने जंगल से निकल गए अगर आप इतना केवल कर ले. This is how powerfully, if you continue to read Prabhupada's books again and again, these realizations will come in this powerful way. Powerful way. If you pass through 13, 14 years of Krishna consciousness or solid 6 months of Krishna consciousness, actually one can rise above the institution, rise above the conditionings of the institution. You can be situated in pure devotional service, a relationship with Krishna. That's what needs to happen. We all get together, this becomes an institution. But if something goes wrong in the institution, does that mean I should not become pure devotee? Does that mean I should spoil my relationship with Krishna? Does that mean I should not go back home, back to Godhead? So we have to focus on the internal things. What is the internal thing? Pure devotional service in the heart. Externals are all different conditionings. And Maya will throw different conditionings to us just to keep testing us. Narad Muni came on the way of Dhruva Maharaj. He said, go play, you're a kid. Dhruva Maharaj said, if you can help me, please. If you are not able to help, excuse me. He didn't say get lost. He said, excuse me, I will take another route. I'll take another route. Because if he said get out, he'll do Vaishnava Prath. He'll lose his devotional service. So you can see Dhruva Maharaj is determined. Dhruva Maharaj is determined. Any obstacles will come, he will sidestep and go ahead. You keep moving forward. Sometimes, we want to say, keep moving ahead, obstacles come, knock it down. Keep moving ahead, knock it down. The problem in knocking down is you might end up doing some offense, which will then spoil all your devotional service. So, what you must do, obstacles come, take a step side, go forward, get on the path again, keep going. Path is one, pure devotional service. Prabhupada is saying, the path is pure devotional service. So he says, nor one should be inclined, one should not have any doubt in this matter, nor should one be inclined to seek the help of any other demigods. We are not disrespecting the demigods, but we don't need their help. I don't fight with you, but I don't need your help in my devotional service, because if it is going to deviate me, the offerings of the demigods does what? जो देवी देवताओं से आशीर्वाद मिलता है उससे क्या हो जाता है? जो देवी देवताओं से आशीर्वाद मिलता है, it increases your faith in the material achievements. That's the point. You worship Lord Shiva for a beautiful wife, you get a beautiful wife. You have more faith in the beautiful wife. More attraction, more, all the service goes to the beautiful wife. That's what it is. It creates the conditioning. You ask, the demigods, get me a good job, You get a good job. Then you have no time for chanting, no time for, even the moral principles of Vedic life is gone. Now people are so busy, they can't look after their parents. The people are so busy, they can't look after their... I heard one very nice lecture, and I shared it on my Facebook page for Sabyasachi Prabhu, he's an MBBS doctor. And he's saying, we all come to the satsang, we all want to take benefit of the satsang, and we give the mobile phones to our children so that they are quiet. We are doing satsang, you can do a satsang. Mobile phone is completely a satsang. Very powerful message. We don't think. I myself, I was thinking, when my Krishna Balram and Radhe Shyam, they come here, they become too much noisy. I'm sitting in the class, I just on Peppa Pig or Krishna cartoon or something like that, give it to them. But you give them Krishna cartoon, after a while they're into Peppa Pig, they're into Bluey, they're into all this. And then for the first time I realized, this is what we're doing. We have achieved the peace of the place, but we actually engage our children into asatsang, demonic association. The greatest, the most powerful demonic incarnation in this day and age is the mobile phones. The other day, Avyatma Prabhu posted one Facebook posting, I saw a very powerful message. I was thinking, one day on a Sunday, Saturday night, or if you're waking up with alarm, that's fine. But after the alarm goes off, then you should switch off your mobile phone for Sunday. We didn't have mobile phones. When in your young days, did you have mobile phone? You were staying with your in-laws, getting up, cooking, puja part and all these things that were happening, going to marriages. Were we missing the appointments? मिस हो जाता था मोबाइल फोन जब नहीं था. कोई मर जाए पता लग जाए कि नहीं, सब चीज हो जाता रहा मोबाइल फोन में. आज हम लोग सोचते हैं मोबाइल फोन नहीं हुई तो नहीं हुई. इट्स अ पावरफुल मैसेज, इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल मैसेज. 7 दिन में से 1 दिन अगर भगवान के लिए निकालना है तो मोबाइल फोन ऑफ कर. कोई जने ऐसा एक चीज बताओ लाइफ में जो है आप लोगों के कि अगर संडे के नहीं होता तो आप लोग मर जाएंगे या कोई और मर जाए, दुनिया खलास हो जाए. अदरवाइज दिस थिंग्स कीप डिस्टर्बिंग. मैं सोचता हूँ हम लोग के जब डेज रहा, when we were young, I was a small boy. Jana Prabhu was the temple president. My mother was young, Haryamani Mataji, Jivanath Prabhu, or young devotees. We didn't have a temple. We didn't have mobile phones. But for us, the whole day was simply in the association of devotees and Krishna. And, Sunday was like a church day. I think we should borrow the concept from Christianity. Sunday is a church day. Just be there. वो लोग एक्चुअली मैं वो क्रिश्चियन पर्सन बोल रहा था तो बोले ऑब्जर्व द सबत. मेरे घर पे हमारी काम वाली असिस्ट करती है. सैटरडे शी डजंट कम टू वर्क. They don't come to work. I've got a staff in my pharmacy. So Saturday doesn't. Sometimes we force him. He says, "Work is worship. Do it." But his idea is Saturday is Sabbath. I think the idea is really, जो प्रभुपाद जी बोले हैं कि we must have no doubt in this matter. So at least it begins with 1 out of 7, na? We have to begin. Very powerful. I think I'm very powerfully touched by this purport of Srila Prabhupada, the way he's written it. No, we should not be inclined to seek help of any other demigods, because all of them are dependent on him only. Everything is dependent on Krishna. Everyone except the Lord himself. Bhagwan के अलावा दूसरा सभी कुछ is dependent on the mercy of the Lord. Even the all-pervading super soul, परमात्मा भी भगवान के फीचा है. ब्रह्मात्मेति परमात्मेति भगवानेति शब्यते. तो परमात्मा भी भगवान के फीचा है. परमात्मा भी डिपेंडेंट है. परमात्मा भी क्या करते हैं, अनुमंता है और विटनेस है. और if you take his guidance, he gives guidance. Otherwise, he is simply a witness. He doesn't intervene. Why does he not intervene? Because Krishna said, "I will not intervene in the desires of the conditioned soul, my separated part and parcels." लेकिन तो बताया कि लेकिन भगवान से भी merciful, भगवान का pure devotee. So once when one becomes pure devotee, one becomes actually more merciful than Krishna. And that is what Srila Prabhupada is. So today is that very special day. Srila Prabhupada arrived in the US. And we should also meditate on Srila Prabhupada's struggles before that. Prabhupada ji ऐसे easy से नहीं arrive होगा. So we just read a little bit from Prabhupada Lilamrita, 15 minutes. Srila Prabhupada's departure for preaching in the West. With the manuscript for volume 3 complete and with the money to print it, Bhaktivedanta Swami once again entered the printing world, purchasing paper, correcting proofs, and keeping the printer on the schedule so that the book would be finished by January 1965. अभी तो ठीक है, हम लोग प्रिंटिंग करा कर एक प्रिंटर के कांटेक्ट करो, कोटेशन प्रिंट साइंस कांटेक्ट करो, कोटेशन लेके अप्रूव कर दो, प्रिंट करके आ जाए. Prabhupada went and bought the paper, looked at the typesetting, did the corrections, correcting proofs, and keeping the printer on schedule because he wanted that January of 1965. Thus, by his persistence, he who had almost no money of his own managed to publish his third large hardbound volume within a little more than 2 years. 2 साल के प्रभुपाद कहते हैं. At this rate, with his respect in the scholarly world increasing, he might soon become a recognized figure amongst his countrymen. But he had his vision set on the West. प्रभुपाद के तो 1922 से विजन था वेस्ट, 1922 to 1965. And with third volume now printed, he felt he was at last prepared. Third volume के बाद प्रभुपाद के फील हुआ कि I am now prepared to go. He was 69 and would have to go soon. It had been more than 40 years since Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati had first asked a young householder in Calcutta to preach Krishna consciousness in the West. At first it seemed impossible to Abhay Charan, who had so recently entered family responsibility. Prabhupada ji वही गृहस्थ हुए थे और गुरु ने उसको बोल दिया कि वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में प्रीच करो. 40 years ago, from 1965, I'm talking from that point. But he had been, that obstacle however had long ago been removed, and for more than 10 years he had been free to travel. फिर प्रभुपाद के जब फैमिली मतलब वृंदावन चले गए और उसके बाद में जब प्रभुपाद जी had फ्री हो गए प्रभुपाद जी, he could travel. That again प्रभुपाद जी 10 years तक नहीं कर पाए. But he had been penniless and still was. And he wanted first to publish some volumes of Srimad Bhagavatam to take with him. It had seemed necessary if he were to do something solid. अगर प्रभुपाद जी को सॉलिड करना चाहते हैं तो प्रभुपाद जी मुझे भागवतम लेके जाना पड़ेगा इंग्लिश में. अदरवाइज प्रभुपाद जी से हमारे गुरु महाराज टेक अ टिकट, फ्लाई टू यूएस, जाओ भजन करके हा ही करके come back. Prabhupada wanted to do a solid plan of things. Solid plan of things. Just like I always say, when we do preaching programs, it should have a solid plan. What we are going to do, what's the target. The target होता मैं हरदम 7 to the 7 याद करता हूँ. 7 to the 7 में श्रीला गुरुदेव का एक टाइम श्रीला गुरुदेव was going to preach to some place. So he took another devotee with him. So they went, Gurudev arranged, they bought 2 tickets to fly. And then returned, he bought 3 tickets. So the devotee was going, he said, 2 of us are going, why are you buying 3 tickets? So 2 of us must go. And we must make 1 devotee and bring full time here. That's how. That's why अगर आप कभी भी सोचो प्रभुपाद बोले, where is Tamal? Call Tamal. This is what Tamal earned. This is how he has earned his position. That is how Tamal had lots of Kamal. he knew what to do. Trouble Tamal, yes, he is also known as that. And he wanted to first publish Bhagavatam. It was necessary to do something. Now by Krishna's grace, 3 volumes were on hand. Srila Prabhupada bole, I planned that I must go to America. Generally they go to London. But I did not want to go to London. I was simply thinking how to go to New York. I was scheming whether I shall go this way through Tokyo, Japan, or that way, which is cheaper. That was my proposal, and I was targeting to New York always. Sometimes I was dreaming that I have come to New York. प्रभुपाद इतना बारी सोचे, प्रभुपाद सपना देखे कि मैं न्यूयॉर्क में आ गया हूँ। और प्रभुपाद जी बोला सब लोग लंदन जाते क्योंकि इंडिया वॉज अंडर ब्रिटिश रूल ना, तो माइंड में सबके रहा कि लाइक ब्रिटिश आर एलीट सुप्रीम ना, तो सब मांगे लंदन जाए, इंडिया के सब पीपल यूजुअली लंदन पड़े जाए लंदन। बट प्रभुपाद बोले आई वॉज टारगेटिंग न्यूयॉर्क। Then Bhaktivedanta Swami met Mr. Agrawal, a Mathura businessman, and mentioned to him in passing, as he did to almost everyone he met, that he wanted to go to the West. तो प्रभुपाद फिर जिसके मिले उससे बोले बनता न्यूयॉर्क जाए ना। It was although Mr. Agrawal had known Bhaktivedanta Swami for only a few minutes, he volunteered to try to get him a sponsor in America. एक क्वेश्चन प्रभुपाद की मैं बोले अच्छा आप लोग कुछ सकता कुछ स्पॉन्सर सा करे ना, सोचिए। It was something Mr. Agrawal had done a number of times when he met a sadhu who mentioned something about going abroad to teach Hindu culture. He would ask his son Gopal, an engineer in Pennsylvania, to send back a sponsorship form. When Mr. Agrawal volunteered to help this way, Bhaktivedanta Swami urged him to please do so. तो ये एक बिजनेसमैन था, उसका लड़का पेंसिल्वेनिया में रहा, तो कोई साधु जावे तो इट वाज नहीं चाहे हेल्प कर देता रहा ना, तो अपन लड़का को बोले एक स्पॉन्सर कर दो, एक साधु आवे। प्रोबब्ली ही मिस्टर अग्रवाल वाज मोर इनटू स्प्रेडिंग द हिंदू, यू नो, अभी जैसे चले हिंदुत्व, इंडियन कल्चर सब बदल जा मांगे ना, तो विद दैट ही आस्क्ड हिज सन गोपाल टू सेंड द sponsor. But Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, I did not say anything seriously to Mr. Agrawal, but perhaps he took it seriously. I asked him, well, why don't you ask your son to sponsor so that I can go there? I want to preach there. But Bhaktivedanta Swami knew he could not simply dream of going to the West. He needed money. In March 1965, he made another visit to Bombay, attempting to sell his books. How was Prabhupada going to get the money? By selling his books. By selling the books is not a bad thing. क्योंकि हम लोग के डिवोटी लोग से बुक बेचो खराब बात है, मैं सब बुक प्रभुपाद के फ्री बांट दो। Prabhupada himself sold. Prabhupada said, my books are going to sustain spiritually and my books are going to sustain the organization. Prabhupada के बुक बेच के ही organization Prabhupada चलाई से। So we should read Prabhupada Leelamrita. Again he stayed at the free Dharamshala, Prem Kutir. Prabhupada अपने गए, सोचो Prabhupada gets so much worship, but he was looking for a free stay. जाके फ्री धर्मशाला में प्रभुपाद जी रहा. But finding customers was very difficult. He met Paramananda Bhagwani, a librarian at Jai Hind College, who purchased books for the college library and then escorted Bhaktivedanta Swami to a few likely outlets. एक लाइब्रेरियन मिला तो वो अपन लाइब्रेरी के वास्ते कुछ खरीदिस और एक आध कॉन्टेक्ट के प्रभुपाद के बुक खरीदाइस. Mr. Bhagwani bole na, I took him to the popular book depot at Grant Road to help him in selling books, but they told us they couldn't stock the books because they don't have much sales on religion. एक बुक स्टोर में गए तो बोले रिलीजियस बुक बहुत नहीं बेचा है तो हम लोग स्टॉक नहीं करेगा. Then we went to another shop nearby and the owner also regretted his inability to sell the books. Then he went to Sadhu Vela near Mahalakshmi temple and we met the head of the temple there. He of course welcomed us. They have a library of their own and they stock religious books, so we approached them to please keep a set there in their library. They are a wealthy ashram and yet he also expressed inability. एक धनी आश्रम उलोंग के लगे रहा, मंदिर के लगे रहा, बट उलोंग भी नहीं मांगे प्रभुपाद की बुक रखे. Bhaktivedanta Swami returned to Delhi. Pursuing the usual avenues of book selling and looking for whatever opportunity might arise, and to his surprise he was contacted by Ministry of External Affairs and informed that his no objection certificate for going to the US was ready. Prabhupada Delhi आए श्री प्रभुपाद जी के Ministry of External Affairs contact करी इसकी तुम्हारा no objection to travel to US is ready. Since he had not instigated any proceedings for leaving the country, Bhaktivedanta Swami had to inquire from the ministry about what had happened. They showed him the statutory declaration form signed by Gopal Agrawal of Butler, Pennsylvania. Mr. Agrawal Swami declared that he would bear the expenses of Bhaktivedanta Swami during his stay in US. Srila Prabhupada is saying, whatever the correspondence was there between father and the son, I did not know. I simply asked him, why don't you ask your son to Gopal to sponsor? And now after 3 or 4 months, the no objection certificate was sent from the Indian consulate in New York to me. He had already sponsored my arrival there for a month, and all of a sudden I got the paper. Nityananda Prabhu Gopal used to do a lot of things. He can open avenues for preaching. At his father's request, Gopal Agarwal had done as he had done for several other sadhus, none of whom have ever gone to America. कोई जो अमेरिका नहीं गया तो गोपाल सबके स्पॉन्सर कर दे. It was just a formality, something to satisfy his father. Gopal had requested a form from Indian consulate, obtained a statement from his employer certifying his monthly salary, gotten a letter from his bank showing his balance as of April 1965, and he had the form notarized. It had been stamped and approved in New York and sent to Delhi. Now Bhaktivedanta Swami had a sponsor, but he still needed a passport, visa, P-form and travel fare. अब स्पॉन्सर आएगा प्राप्त करेगा, पासपोर्ट नहीं है. The passport was not very difficult to obtain. Krishna Pandit helped, and by June 10th he had his passport. April he got his sponsor, June 10th he got his passport. Carefully he penned in his address at Radha Krishna temple in Chippivada and wrote his father's name, Gaur Mohan De. He asked Krishna Pandit also to pay for his going abroad, but Krishna Pandit refused, thinking it against Hindu principles for a sadhu to go abroad and also very expensive. Hinduism में सिस्टम रहा, टाइम वैदिक सिस्टम रहा कि पैदल चल के जाओ ना, साधु के काम में पैदल चलो, गाड़ी यंत्र विमान नहीं यूज़ करो. तो बोले कृष्ण पंडित बोले इसकी प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ साधु के अगेंस्ट है, तो नहीं सकता है. और वैसे भी मेन पॉइंट रहा है कि एक्सपेंसिव है ना, एक्सपेंसिव ला तो बहाना दूसरा चीज़ लगा पड़ी. तो बोले कि नहीं सके करे. With his passport and his sponsorship papers, Bhaktivedanta Swami went to Bombay, not to sell books or raise funds for printing. He wanted a ticket for America. Again he tried approaching Sumati Murarji. He showed his sponsorship papers to her secretary, Mr. Chokshi, who was impressed and who went to Mrs. Murarji on his behalf. The Swami from Vrindavan is back. He told her. तो प्रभुपाद जी सुमति मुरारजी के स्टीमशिप कहा. तो प्रभुपाद जी इसके लिए हरदम जाता रहा कि हम मनता जाए. एंड सुमति मुरारजी ना बहुत उन्हें करी सला. The Swami from Vrindavan is back. He told her he had published his book on your donation. She gave a donation for publishing the book. He had a sponsor and he wants to go to America. He wants you to send him on the Scindia ship. Mrs. Morarji said no. The Swami was too old to go to the United States and expect to accomplish anything. बोले बहुत बुढ़ा है, वहाँ जाकर कुछ हासिल नहीं कर पाई. As Mr. Chokshi conveyed to him Mrs. Morarji's words, Bhaktivedanta Swami listened disapprovingly. Accept नहीं करी Prabhupada disapproval show करी ना. The determination है. Prabhupada wants to go. Guru की आज्ञा follow करेंगे ना. He wants to do something for Krishna. She wanted him to stay in India and complete Srimad Bhagavatam. Why go to the States? Finish the job here. बोला कि उस स्पॉन्सर करके उतना तो प्रिंट प्राइस है, तुम यहीं ट्रांसलेट करो, यहीं पे फिनिश करो पूरा बुक. अमेरिका का करे जाएगा. But Bhaktivedanta Swami was fixed on going. He told Mr. Chokshi that he should convince Mrs. Morarji. He coached Mr. Chokshi on what he should say. अब बता उसके कि तुम कौन सी जाके बोलो. He coached, I find this gentleman very inspired to go to the States and preach something to the people there. But when he told Mrs. Morarji, she again said no. प्रभुपाद जी बोले जाओ बताओ कि आदमी हमें देखे बहुत उत्सुक लगे हैं और जाके कुछ वहां प्रचार कर ले. महाराज जी बोले नो. द स्वामी वॉज नॉट हेल्थी. अब बोले स्वामी हेल्थी नहीं है, बुढ़ा आदमी स्वास्थ्य नहीं अच्छा है. ही वुड बी टू कोल्ड देयर. ही माइट नॉट बी एबल टू कम बैक एंड शी डाउटेड वेदर ही वुड बी एबल टू अकम्प्लिश मच देयर. तो बोले जाई तो लौट नहीं पाई और कुछ हासिल करेगा तो भुला, हमें तो नहीं आसरा है कि कुछ कर पाए. People in America were not so cooperative and they would probably not listen to him. Exasperated with Mr. Chokshi's ineffectiveness, Bhaktivedanta Swami demanded a personal interview. It was granted. Bhaktivedanta Swami प्रभुपाद भाई ना हम अपने मनता मिले, तुम नहीं जान दो, हम खाली एक दफे उससे मिले मनता है मिसेस मोरारजी से. तो फिर he was granted. And a grey-haired, determined Bhaktivedanta Swami presented his emphatic request. please give me one ticket. Srimati Maharaji was concerned. Swamiji, you are so old, you are taking this responsibility. Do you think it is all right? No, he assured her, lifting his hand, as if to reassure our doubting daughter, it is all right. प्रभुपाद ऐसे बोली, जैसे अपन लड़की के प्रभुपाद बताया ना, लड़की कंसर्न है कि नहीं तुम नहीं जाओ, प्रभुपाद बोले नहीं, इट इज ऑल राइट इफ आई गो. भक्ति वेदांत, but do you know what my secretaries think? Srimati Maharaji बोले, they say Swamiji is going to die there. Bhaktivedanta made a face as if to dismiss a foolish remark. Again he insisted that she give him a ticket. All right, she said, get your P form and I will make an arrangement to send you by our ship. Bhaktivedanta Swami smiled brilliantly and happily left her office past her amazed and skeptical clerks. प्रभुपाद जी ऐसे जैसे एक छोटा लड़का के खिलौना मिल गए, जो खुशी हुई कि प्रभुपाद जी की the door is open for my Krishna, for the fulfillment of my spiritual master's mission. A P form, another necessity for an Indian national who wants to leave country, is a certificate given by State Bank of India, certifying that the person has no excessive debts in India and is cleared by the banks. That would take a while to obtain. So P form is a, India के अपन कि कोई कर्जा भाग नहीं जाना. The bank has to give evidence of that. That would take a while, and he also did not yet have a US visa. He needed to pursue these government permissions in Bombay, but he had no place to stay. प्रॉपर वृंदावन में, राधा दामोदर टेम्पल में ना, तो दिल्ली 3 घंटा आओ जाओ सको, बॉम्बे तो बहुत दूर है. अब प्रभुपाद जी ये सब चीज बॉम्बे में, एम्बेसी बॉम्बे में है, तो प्रभुपाद जी बॉम्बे में, बट ही डजंट हैव अ प्लेस टू स्टे. So Srimati Maharaji agreed to let him reside at the Scindia colony, a compound of apartments for employees of Scindia company. He stayed in a small unfurnished apartment with only his trunk and typewriter. Unfinished apartment. Unfinished मतलब खटिया नहीं, कुर्सी नहीं, टेबल नहीं, सेटी नहीं, कुछ नहीं. खाली प्रभुपाद जी के ट्रंक रहा. आप लोग पता नहीं जनता कि नहीं, ट्रंक बुढ़ा लोग जनता है. पहले वो 3 ला बॉक्स रहता रहा ना, बैग स्क्वायर, बढ़िया लोग में सब चीज रखता था. वही बोर्डिंग स्कूल में हुआ, ये है ट्रंक. तो दैट्स व्हाट प्रभुपाद है. एंड प्रभुपाद है टाइपराइटर. ट्रंक के अंदर प्रभुपाद टाइपराइटर रखता रहा, टाइपिंग टाइम उसके निकाल के ऊपर रख के तो उसके ऊपर टाइपिंग कर रहा. दैट्स ऑल व्हाट प्रभुपाद है. दैट्स ऑल व्हाट प्रभुपाद है. So powerful. You can know what Prabhupada has done for us, and that's how we are having everything silver spoon. हम लोग सब चीज एंजॉय करता है. We are part of a great mission. बड़ा नाम है, हम लोग इस्कॉन के मेंबर हैं, इस्कॉन के टेम्पल प्रेसिडेंट है. उसके पीछे प्रभुपाद क्या किया है प्रभुपाद. So Prabhupada stayed in this way with his trunk. The residents India employees all knew that Mrs. Morarji was sending him to the West, and some of them became interested in his cause. They were impressed, for although he was so old, he was going abroad to preach. He was a special sadhu, a scholar. They heard from him how he was taking hundreds of copies of his books with him, but no money. He was taking so many books, but no money. He became a celebrity in the Scindia colony. सबको ना बुढ़ा साधु, 70 year old बुढ़ा साधु को पैसा नहीं है, बुक्स है और अमेरिका जाएंगे प्रीच करें. They bought him so much, various families brought him rice, sabji and fruit. They brought so much that he could not eat at all. And he mentioned this to Mr. Chokshi, just accept it and distribute it. Mr. Chokshi advised. So itna ढेर प्रभुपाद के सबको अब दे लगा ना. Now you can see Krishna is arranging things. So Krishna has actually completed all his tests ना. यहाँ ला टेस्ट हो गया. अभी US जाए तो टेस्ट अलग रही preaching के. But at least now Krishna is satisfied that he will do it. He wants to do it. हम लोग के कृष्णा के कन्विंस करे भाई हम करेगा. कृष्णा मांगे देखे कि हाँ ये हमारा करे लायक के आदमी है. That's the conviction Prabhupada has created. Bhaktivedanta Swami then began giving remnants of his food to the children. Some of the older residents gathered to hear him as he read and spoke from his Bhagavatam. Mr. Vashavada, the chief cashier of Scindia, was particularly impressed and came regularly to learn from the sadhu. He obtained copies of Bhaktivedanta Swami's books and read them in his home. Bhaktivedanta Swami's apartment shared a roof in veranda with Mr. Nagarajan, office worker, and his wife. Mrs. Nagarajan said, every time when I pass where he used to be writing or chanting, I would ask, Swamiji, what are you writing? He used to sit near the window and one after another was translating the Sanskrit. He gave me 2 books and said, child, if you read this book, you will understand. We would have discourses in the house and 4 or 5 Gujarati ladies used to come. In one of these discourses, he told one lady that those who wear their hair parted on the side, that is not a good idea. Prabhupada is amazing. Prabhupada kaise baal jharo talak Prabhupada सिखावे. Prabhupada every day translation करे है. This is amazing. प्रभुपाद जी एक्चुअली में हम लोग खाली कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस नहीं दी से, प्रभुपाद जी हम लोग के कायदा दी से, सभ्यता दी से, ओढ़ना पहनना उठना बैठना बातचीत करना, प्रभुपाद जी हम लोग के सब चीज एक जैसे एक घर में बेबी बॉर्न हो जाए उसके हम लोग रेस करता है, प्रभुपाद जी कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस इस्कॉन मूवमेंट प्रभुपाद जी रकम दी से. दैट्स हाउ वी रेस कंडीशन सोल्स, अनकल्चर्ड सोल्स टू द लेवल ऑफ प्योर डिवोटीज. कितना भारी कल्चर इनका करे. तो प्रभुपाद said, every Indian lady should have her hair parted in the center. They were very fond of listening and very keen to hear his discourse. So it's like an old father, na? Father ke rakam ladies log inke guide kare. So we should stop there. It's 8 o'clock. But it will be very interesting, if we can continue to read. Maybe in coming week we can read for 1 week Prabhupada's arrival. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत पावरफुल है. और नहीं तो आप लोग प्रभुपाद लीलामृता में से पढ़ना प्लीज़. आप लोग जाके आज के डेडिकेशन रखो, जाके पढ़ो थोड़ा सा लीला, देन यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ मोटिवेशन. प्रभुपाद जी के लव है, मैं तो पढ़ता हूँ, आई फील प्रभुपाद लव इन दिस, इन हिज एक्शंस, हिज वर्ड्स. प्रभुपाद के प्रेम है, प्रभुपाद के प्रेम में हम लोग बंध जाएगा अगर प्रभुपाद जी के लीलामृता पढ़ेगा. Okay, so any questions or comments? It's more exciting. Yes, Prabhu.
मैं प्रभुपाद जी से वीडियो देखा था, ये कोट में भी कुछ लोग दिया था. प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं, don't afraid of revolution, go for it.
Yes.
That's that Krishna's promise in Bhagavad.
Yes.
He can declare to the whole world that my devotees will never be.
Yes. Strong बात है. प्रभुपाद कृष्ण बोला है कि my devotees will never perish. तो हम लोग सब टाइम बोलते हैं भगवान हमें टेस्ट करे हैं. कभी हम लोग भी भगवान के टेस्ट कर लो, हम लोग भी टेस्ट कर लो. you are becoming double minded, करी कि नहीं करी, but you also have a intelligence to discriminate, to say no, this is Krishna will like. दिल बोले नहीं कृष्ण लाइक तो करी, बट कैसे हुई, गड़बड़ाए नहीं जाए. Take the risk and trust him. Then you will have experienced that Krishna gave the protection. This is Prabhupada taking the risk. Prabhupada tested. And it happened. And there is no, at the end of the day, कोई loss नहीं है. थोड़ा से business मर जाए, थोड़ा से relationship लोग मर जाए, थोड़ा से ही हो जाए, थोड़ा दुख लग जाए, थोड़ा चोट लग जाए, but you will earn yourself diamonds of Krishna. ठीक है, जरा प्रभु wants to say something. No, so we want to, we are trying to. मैं सोचा after reading all this, मैं सोचा I want to encourage people to come to morning class. So every Sunday, whatever is being made here is made here. Every Sunday we will also help bring things from home, and I want to encourage devotees who want to bring a plate or something for the breakfast, so that we can have very nice association of devotees. And Prabhupada knew the trick. Prasadam is the trick. दुनिया में सबको भाग दौड़े प्रसाद के वास्ते, आदमी भोजन के वास्ते सब कुछ करे. तो I agree with Atmananda Prabhu. Prasadam should be tagda. So we are starting this Sunday. I think this week, some devotees are bringing some things, and we have also tried to contribute something. So bring from your home. Don't worry. Make it at your home. Offer it and bring it for the service of the devotees. Sunday breakfast. So that we have more people coming, and the more we can realize. आप लोग बताओ, आप लोग कोई घरे रहता, आज प्रभुपाद के अराइवल के बारे में कोई मेडिटेट करता, कोई सुनता, कोई हम लोग इतना जानता प्रभुपाद कैसे बिफोर अराइवल गए. वैष्णव कैलेंडर में लिखा नहीं श्रील प्रभुपाद अराइवल इन द यूएस, बट व्हाट, बस अराइवल व्हाट. प्रभुपाद जी बोला कि हम लोग इस वीक स्पेशिया किया था ना बाबा ग्रुप पे. प्रभुपाद जी बोला कि एवरी प्रोग्राम इज मेड फॉर लिसनिंग अबाउट कृष्ण. That's the most important thing. सब लोग अपना अपना सर्विस करो, सर्विस करने के बाद में अगर 2 मिनट भी आके क्लास में बैठ सको आके बैठ जाओ. That's the prime thing. Why do we decorate the deities? We decorate the deities so that people can come. So that people can come, what do you want to do? When people come to see the deities, what do you want to do? Why do you want people to come and see the beautiful deities? Very honestly, we want to catch people so that we can make them hear Krishna Katha. Savanadi Shuddha Chitta. Without hearing, the Chit will not become pure. You have to understand that. You can still be worshipping the deities, but you are not hearing Krishna Katha, your Chit will become contaminated. Without hearing, you do Harinam, but if you are not hearing Krishna Katha, your Harinam will become contaminated. You cook prasadam, you don't hear Krishna Katha, your cooking will get contaminated. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, very powerful, please, everyone read these books. These books have unlimited depth. Unlimited depth. The Shravanadi Shuddha Chitta. By Shravanam. So I'm really wanting to create an opportunity for hearing. Whoever can come, please come. If you really want to make spiritual progress, hearing has to happen. Okay? So Granthara Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Srila Prabhupada ki, International Society for Krishna Consciousness ki jai. So please come to the dining hall and there's prasadam for everyone. Hare Krishna.